In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All of us do like some people, and we don't like another certain people. So, that is something very natural. Though those who are positive thinkers, they even do not approve the word dislike. Not to talk of the not to talk of opposing someone else or hating. Opposing someone objectively, it is not bad. Hating something, hate. Liking something, do not liking something, hating something. So these are the feelings quite common. Almost each one of us, except certain exceptional cases. Though those exceptional cases are really great, admirable, appreciable, but yet overwhelming number of the people, they can't be as great. They have to be an ordinary person. An ordinary person does like some people, do not like certain other people, and even hate certain other people. Is it something okay? Is it a right sort of attitude? Another some of the people, they do like some people, dislike some people, hate some people, and are found ready to make a lot of sacrifices on those whom he she like desperately, severely, badly. A foolish man attitude is to be very emotional and least logical, least rational, least reasonable. A foolish man attitude is when somebody he she don't like approaches them, approaches him her for one reason or the other, or send some sort of message. This foolish man, foolish person will be found responding in quite a negative manner, in quite an unreasonable manner. Maybe because he she have been thinking negatively and have been thinking a lot. So this has become a kind of result that a volcano has been erupted. Although someone whom this foolish person does not like or hate, has become positive, at least for the moment. I think so. This is quite unreasonable, quite foolish, quite nonsense, and it does not affect positively to the foolish person as well. Although there is no label of foolishness on his her forehead, but since the attitudes are quite foolish, So that is why she has been branded as a foolish person. And the time proves that she was definitely a foolish person indeed. I think that we need to become reasonable, because being reasonable lies in our own best interest, because acting reasonably lies into our own best interest. What this reasonable attitude is, once somebody has contacted you directly or indirectly, you may even disagree. Disagreeing is not bad. It is not bad. Although we should try to agree. But still, if your interests are at stake, I'm not suggesting that you should agree or you should cooperate or you should accept what they are demanding from you. I'm not suggesting. Although, if there is a negligible amount of sacrifice, although if there is a negligible amount of sacrifice, I think that we should be ready to make it. We need to become a bit generous. We need to become a bit positive. We need to become a bit positive. We need to become a bit cooperative. We need to become a bit generous. But if there is something very much unethical, very much illegal, and could land you into trouble, if what you are being demanded could land you into trouble zone, you should not cooperate at all. Say no, say politely but say firmly. Do not cooperate. Do tell them that since my vital interests are at stake, my safety is at stake, or certain in certain other ways, from other aspects, from certain other angles, I don't feel safe. That is why I am unable to cooperate. There is no harm in it. Rather, it is quite a rational, logical, and reasonable attitude. Opposing for the sake of opposition, because you didn't like them earlier, because there was not a good relationship with you earlier, opposing only because of this reason, I think this is quite a stupid attitude. This is quite nonsense which must be avoided. This is quite nonsense which must be avoided. Which must be avoided. We need to become, if at all we want to live respectably, if we want to live respectably, if we want to live honorably, if we want to live with a peace of mind, we need to adopt a rational attitude even towards those with whom we are not enjoying the good relationship. We need to adopt a very good attitude for the sake of we ourselves, for the sake of we ourselves. We need to adopt a very logical, very rational, very reasonable attitude, because it will help us a lot, because it will help us a lot in becoming the right person. the logical, the rational, the reasonable person, we will be considered a person of positive attitudes. We will be considered a person of positive attitudes. That lies in our own best interest. Dear friends and fellows in Pakistan and abroad, avoid being called a foolish man, foolish person. Avoid being called an unreasonable person. Avoid being called a nonsense person. And obviously, we do have to act reasonably if at all we want to survive honorably here in this world. Thank you. Jazakallah.